Hey folks, today's show is all about smoke. Smoked poultry, smoked beef, even smoked vegetables. Up first, if poultry could channel steak, it would be a duck breast. It's blood red like steak, meaty like steak. Duck has a natural affinity for cherries, something about the dark, gamey quality of duck meat and the dark, rich, fruity flavor of cherries. In this dish, we actually look to China for the seasonings. The rub is flavored with 5-spice powder, that aromatic Chinese blend. We smoke the duck with cherry wood and serve it with a cherry salsa. So think of it as a perfect trifecta of flavor. Start by scoring the skin in a crosshatch pattern. This helps release the fat and crisp the skin and gives your duck breast an awesome appearance. Brush each duck breast on both sides with sesame oil. Turn the breasts over and brush the meat side of the breast with sesame oil. Next, the rub. It's a simple Chinese 5-spice rub, starting with equal parts coarse sea salt, turbinado sugar, freshly ground black pepper, and Chinese 5-spice powder. Chinese 5-spice powder is a blend of star anise, fennel seed, cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper. And it has a wonderful smoky licorice flavor. Season the duck breasts on both sides. Then turn the duck breasts over and season the other side the same way. To smoke the duck, I'm using a Memphis wood-fire grill. It has a hopper in the back, which you fill with these cherry sawdust pellets. Set the temperature as low as it will go on the control panel, 180 degrees. This actually involves a two-step process. First, we smoke the duck breasts at a low temperature for about an hour to really infuse them with that cherry smoke. Then we'll crank the heat way up and finish the duck breasts on a plancha. So let me open the smoke chamber. Lay your duck breasts skin side down on the grate. And at this stage, you're not really cooking the duck breasts, you're smoking them. So I want the meat side up so it can absorb the wood smoke. Smoking time, about an hour. It's been 1 hour and you can see the duck breasts have acquired a beautiful patina of wood smoke. Move the duck breasts over to the far side of the grill. Then we're going to go from what in effect is indirect smoking to direct grilling. Here's how we do it. Lift the center grate of the grill and this heat diffuser plate comes out, exposing us directly to the pellet burn chamber. Then place the grill plate on top of the pellet burn chamber, which in effect turns this pellet grill into a direct grill, and return the grill grate. Now here's a technique you may not have seen before on Project Smoke, plancha grilling. So a plancha is a slab of cast iron, and I'm going to heat the plancha, then arrange the duck breasts on top. This will sizzle the skin, sizzle out the fat, give you crackling, crisp skin, all the while we are smoking the duck breasts as they cook. Now take the duck breasts off the grill and preheat the plancha for a high temperature sear. We're going to kick up the heat a little bit and serve the duck with a fresh cherry salsa. Start with pitted fresh cherries, then add diced poblano chili, minced fresh onion, thinly slivered fresh mint, chopped seeded jalapeno peppers, fresh lime juice, brown sugar, which you'll adjust according to the natural sweetness of the cherries, and finally minced ginger. Now simply stir the salsa ingredients together. You want to make this salsa not more than 2 hours before serving. The virtue of this salsa is its spontaneity and its freshness. Let's just take a taste. Nice, sweet, fresh cherries, nice acidity, nice kick. Now back to the duck. Once the plancha is hot, arrange the duck breast skin side down on the plancha. And that hot metal is going to sizzle and crisp the skin. You'll see that duck skin is beautifully crisp on the bottom, so turn your duck breasts over. You're probably wondering, couldn't you just direct grill the duck breast? You could, but you get a crisper skin when you cook on a plancha. Don't have a plancha? Use a cast iron skillet. You'll need another 3 to 5 minutes to finish cooking the duck. I like to serve duck breasts at medium rare at 135 degrees. Here's the duck breast, and what you want to do is just carve it slightly on the diagonal through that crisp skin, and look at that beautiful meat. Nice pink tinge from the smoke ring. So here's your duck breast. And next, a spoonful of cherry salsa. And finally, to go with the duck breast and cherry, a slice of skillet cornbread. The recipe's on our website. Let's see how we did. So first of all, just want to call your attention to that beautiful smoke ring, okay? That's from that first low heat smoking. Wow, this is really good. That skin is so crisp. Nice smoke flavor, the sweetness of the 5 spice powder, and the cherry salsa. It's just the perfect accompaniment. So the next time you want to try a bird of a different feather, try smoking a duck breast.